Hello friends, welcome to Conceptual Study. Now let us discuss about business environment. Meaning of business environment. Business environment refers to forces, factors, individuals and institutions which are outside the control of business enterprise, but these may affect its performance. Means business environment include all those forces which may affect the business activities directly or indirectly. In simple words, the business environment is the surrounding in which business exists. Then, environment scanning. Environment scanning refers to complete awareness and understanding of business environment. With environment scanning, business enterprise can anticipate the effect of environment forces and factors on their enterprise. Business environment provide constraints as well as opportunities for their businessmen. Then features, characteristics, nature of business environment. The main features of business environment are: first, all the external forces. Means business environment include all the forces, institutions and factors which are external to business organization. Second, specific and general forces. Business environment include both specific and general forces. Then specific forces affect business enterprise directly and immediately in their day-to-day working. These include suppliers, investors, customers. स्पेसिफिक फोर्सेस हमारे एंटरप्राइज को डायरेक्टली और इमीडिएटली डे टू डे वर्किंग में इफ़ेक्ट पहुंचाती है। उसमें इंक्लूड होते हैं हमारे सप्लायर्स, इन्वेस्टर्स एंड कस्टमर्स। जनरल फोर्सेस आर social, political, legal, technological conditions have impact all the enterprise and affect individual firm only indirectly. जनरल फोर्सेस हमारे बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज को इनडायरेक्टली अफेक्ट करती है। उसमें आते हैं हमारे सोशल, पॉलिटिकल, लीगल, टेक्नोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस। थर्ड, इंटर रिलेशन means all the forces and factors of business environment are interrelated to each other. For example, with the inclination of youth towards western culture, the demand for fast food is increasing. Then fourth one, uncertainty. Uncertainty means it is very difficult to predict the changes of business environment as environment is changing very fast. For example, IT, fashion industry, frequent and fast changes are taking place. अनसर्टेनिटी का मतलब ये है कि हमारे जो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट है उसको प्रिडिक्ट करना अनसर्टेन है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट है। जैसे कि आईटी इंडस्ट्री हो गई, फैशन इंडस्ट्री हो गई और फ्रीक्वेंट एंड फास्ट चेंजेस आर टेकिंग प्लेस। फिफ्थ, डायनामिक। डायनामिक का मतलब है कि रैपिडली चेंजेस। बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट इज हाईली फ्लेक्सिबल एंड कीप चेंजिंग. It is not static or rigid. That is why it is essential to monitor and scan the business environment continuously. Sixth, complex. It is very difficult to understand the impact of business environment on the companies. For example, a change in government policy to increase a tax rate by 5% may affect the income of the company by large amount. Seventh, relativity कि बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट डिफर करता है फ्रॉम कंट्री टू कंट्री एंड रीजन टू रीजन एज पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन कल्चर आर डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज। लाइक देयर मे बी मोर डिमांड फॉर साड़ीज इन इंडिया कंपेयर टू यूएसए एंड यूके। The dimension of business environment. Dimension of business environment means all the factors, forces, and institutions which have direct or indirect influence the business transactions. First है हमारा economic environment. Economic environment means economic environment refers to all the forces and factors which directly influenced by come influence the economy of our country. Economic environment consists of gross domestic product, income level at national level and per capita level. Some aspects of economic environment are high inflation rate set as constant as they increase the cost of production. एंड सोशल इन्वायरमेंट के हमारे एग्जाम्पल्स बताती हूँ मैं, जैसे कि द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ दिवाली, क्रिसमस, गुरुपर्व. Social environment consists of the customs and traditions of the society in which business is existing. It includes the standard of living, taste, preference, and education level of the people living in the society where business exists. Then Political environment constitute all the forces related to government affairs such as type of government, power, attitude of government. Legal environment, various laws and legislative acts. Then importance of business environment. First step, first mover advantage. Second, warning signal, help in tapping resources, help to adapt changes, help in making plan and policy, improvement in performance. Thank you. Do share and subscribe.